Hi students, in this lecture I will tell you that how you can store or how you can write an image into a specific directory in Matlab. First of all, I will read an image. This is the address of the image and the name of the image is cat jpj. When I am execute this, write image. When I execute this, the image has reached it to this position. Within the workspace there is a variable which contains the pixel of the image. Now I want to save it somewhere in the in some other directory. Suppose I have this folder and I have read the image and the name of the image was cat, so I have read this image. Now I want to write this image into the folder. The name of the folder is write pic. So let me tell you how you can do it. I will read I am right and then I will write the name of the variable and then I will write the path. Now I have not defined the path uh, of the folder where I want to store this image, so there will be an error that unable to determine the file format from the file name. So I will create the path first. So the path is write picture and then in the right picture I will save it with the name cat image dot jpeg. Now when I execute this code, what I get is the empty folder which previously I have created. Within that folder I have got an image. Now this was just a very simple thing that I am going to read an image and I am going to write this and that image into a certain folder. Sometime while dealing with the Matlab, we have to read multiple different sort of images and then we have to copy it, then we have to paste it somewhere into different folder. We have to organize the data. So let me tell you that how you can do that. Now I have a folder. I have copied a folder over here and this folder contains multiple images. You can see that it is around about 655 images. I have to copy all these images into another different folder through Matlab. I can also make some more logical programming that to create multiple folder with the name of the article like A, B, C, D, and if a picture name started with S, it must be stored within the folder S, and if a folder name starts with Z, it should be stored within the folder and the output write directory Z. So I can also do that, but before that I will do a very simple task. I will read all these images and then I will write it into the right picture folder. So before reading these images, I will try to create the path of the folder. So the folder input The name of the folder from which I will get the input is this one. I'm going to comment the remaining code. I will write some more things over here, like clear all previous data and close all other windows and clear the command window screen. Now there is a function that is known as data store. In Matlab, I will execute this command to see that what I get. Maybe I have used the command in the wrong way, but before going into in the correct direction, I will execute the code and I will see that what type of error I have got. So I have got this error: cannot determine the data store type, specific location, etc., etc. So I will search the keyword. I will search the function in the help. It tells me that location, name and values must be the data store. I'm going to save it in A and execute it. I get this thing. So the actual command is image data store. Now when I execute it, I get that within the A, it is a data structure. It is an object of a structure and contain the name of the images. So these are the name of the images. A.file contain the name of the images, and these are total 664 images. So I will use the length command to find the limit of the images within the folder. So I have used the limit command over here. Now what I will do is I will use the for loop. For I start from 1 to limit, and I will end this loop. Within this loop I will have to read the images one by one. So I will have to read the images. And you can see that it is just like a cell array. I will write the index of the loop, and then I need the path where I have to store the images. So I'm going to store it over there. String concatenate. So strcat will concatenate the string. I'm going to create the path. So this is the name of the folder, then slash, then there should be the name of the image. So I will write num to string, and in the bracket I will write the index I, and then I have to concatenate the extension, and then I will use the write command. I will pause it so that you may see that how the images are being copied from the original image into the new folder. Before starting the execution, I will show you that there is nothing else in this folder except there is just one image. I'm going to delete that image. um, I want to copy all these images through the Matlab code from this folder into the right pix folder. When I execute the code, and I'm going to show you that what is going to happen. You can see that all the images are being copied over here, but they are overwrite because the name of the folder is just 100% similar to the previous one. So these are overwritten. I will close, I will stop the code, and then I will write, I will make some more modification. Now, now when I execute the code, you can see that images are being copied over here, and they are stored with the name of the index variable. So you can see that the images are being shifted from that folder to the new folder. So this is all about how you can logically reorganize data. That can be images, that can be text file, that can be whatever you have data within your directory. So you must know that there is just a very simple logical method that you if you create that code within the Matlab, then you can reorganize all your data within just a few minutes. Thank you so much.